Clash. Ang daming tagak ko. Sanji, oh, look. Yan ang tagak. Ayan na, lumipad na Sanji. Wow. Green na green, oh.
Mama, what do we call a group of trees?
Ano na yung palayan dito ngayon, oh. Parang kahit cropping nila to, eh.
Mama, look, what are those? It's like a big bird. No, what are those?
Tagak.
Those on the ground.
Big bird ba? Tagak yun.
Rice field kasi to.
Di ba ano to? Yung
Madre de Cacao.
Madre de Cacao? Kuha nga tayo. Wala yung Madre de Cacao.
Mama, where is it? Ito, rice field yan, anak. Yung makikita mo. No, yung color purple. Wala pa tayong nakikita, anak.
Anak, oh, tingnan mo may rancho dyan, oh, Sanji.
What are those called? Mama, what are those called on those trees?
There are some horses.
Ranch. Ranch tree. No. Yung white ba? Yung white? Na
Yeah.
parang fence.
No,
Tagak yan,
I mean the white looking
Fences.
no,
Backyard.
wood.
Fences nga, anak.
The trees.
Taas na ng araw.
Yeah.
That trees. I don't know.
Nagyaya yung mag-ina sa bukid.
But that is also part of it.
Wala. Uy! May goat! Sanji, may goat. Yun nga, para makita niya yung ano.
Wow.
Yan.
Well,
Tawagin mo. Mehe! Tawagin mo yung ano.
well.
Tara, let's go. Sanji!